Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a super cute bunny frame. So I grabbed one of these frames from the Target dollar spot. They're $3. They're already pre-made, blank, and all you have to do is paint or stain in the colors that you want. A bunny from Dollar General. It's just a bunny cutout, and I got it for $2. Some scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. Some of the brown wax and some paint in a color bleached sand, and a bow of your choice. So the first thing I'm going to do is stain the whole outside of my frame with the brown wax. So I'm just going to paint it on and then I'm going to wipe it off. Just be careful when doing the inside edges that you don't get it on the background, because you're going to paint that a different color next. Once you have the whole outside all stained with the brown wax, I'm going to take that color, bleached sand is the color I used, and I'm going to paint the whole inside of the frame that color. And I chose that color because it matches the white in the scrapbook paper that I chose from Hobby Lobby. Once I had that all finished and painted in the white that I wanted, I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to take my bunny and I'm going to stain the edges of the bunny with the brown wax, just so that they're not plain and they kind of match the frame if you can see the bunny from the side. So I pulled off all of the stickers, and now I'm just going to do just the edges with the brown wax. Once I had him all stained, I'm going to lay him on my scrapbook paper and cut him out, and then Mod Podge the scrapbook paper onto the bunny. Once the scrapbook paper was all dry, I'm going to take a sanding block and sand off all the excess around the edges of the bunny. And then to get in between his ears, I used a nail file from Dollar Tree, and I just used it to get into that little small area that a sanding block can't get into. Once he's all sanded and ready to go, I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to hot glue him right to the center of my frame. Once it was all glued in, I used that pink bow and hot glued that to the bunny's neck. And I didn't like the way that it looked, so I ended up changing it out with a burlap one, which you will see at the end pictures. But that is it. How stinking cute is this? She's super adorable, and I just adore that scrapbook paper. And here you can see the different bow that I ended up using, and I just think it fit better. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please, as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.